Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Parchy Tech. So I have another video for you guys today, and it's another case video. All right, but before I get into this video, please head on down below, hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. All right, so if you guys are out there trying to see some cases or case comparison, this is the channel for you guys. All right, so you don't want to miss that, so please head on down below, subscribe and turn your notification bells on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel for you guys. All right, so now let's get into this video. And as you can see, I have the Spigen liquid ear armor case in my right here, and we have the Caseology Parallax case here in my left. So we're gonna do a little comparison here to help you out if you're in the market looking for one of these cases, or if you're pretty much stuck in between these two, like trying to decide which one you should go with, which one you think looks better, and as far as making the right decision in getting one of these cases. All right, so as you can see here, I have them together here, and one thing that stands out a little bit here, as you can see, the colors are a little bit different. So the Spigen is a little bit more of a darker shade of blue than the Caseology. So as you can see, they're both listed as navy blue on Amazon, but this one has a darker shade than the Caseology. So the Caseology looks closer to the color of the iPhone than the Spigen, because if I put them together here, look at the difference with this and look at the difference with this one. So they're both different colors from the iPhone, as you can see realistically here, but which one is closer? The Caseology. So put it next to the phone, there we go. And this Spigen way darker, but as far as grippiness, they're both grippy, but the Spigen does feel way grippier than the Caseology case here. And they both, as you can see, they have its textures inside for shock absorption. As you can see, this Caseology does feel a little bit more bulky, and it's less flexible than the Spigen as well. The camera cutout, they both have the camera cutout here in the back with a little lip to protect your cameras when your phone is sitting on the back. So you can see that here. You have another big difference here, as you can see. The Caseology here is a double layer case, so you can pretty much remove the rubber part. As you can see here, you can remove all this. I'm not gonna really take it off right now, but I'm just showing you that it's double layer. Let's just go ahead and take it off for you guys to see. So you just remove all this from here, put it on your phone, and then snap this back on. But you can also put this on the phone without removing this from off the rubber. All right, so let's put this back on. Let's put this back on the case, get it back together, and let's move on with this video. All right, so now it's all the way back on there, seated properly. All right, so now we're gonna put them together here again. As far as weight, Spigen's lighter as well. As you can see, they both have textured backs here. Feels really nice, but I'm telling you, as far as design, the Caseology looks way more fancy. It looks way better as far as the design with these, the way how the outline with the bumper here and the rubber looks really nice. You have the hard plastic, kind of looks not too glossy and not matte, like just that right amount of sheen that they got on there. Man, looks really nice. And also this is a hard plastic on the outside for the bumper here on the sides, and one on the back here as well. You have your cutouts. All these are rubbery for your charger and your speaker grill right here. Same thing, cut out on the bottom here for your charger and your speaker grill here as well. So let's go on the left of each case. So on each case, you can see the Caseology is really smooth on the side here. It just has a logo cut out right here. And on the Spigen, you have some textures on the side right here, as you can see, and the Spigen logo here at the side as well. So both case pretty much the same size. None sticks out more, none really sticks out too much, but the Caseology does feels a little bit more bulky and a little bit thicker in your hand. And the lips, as you can see, the lip on the phone that goes over, wraps over the screen. The one on the Caseology is slightly thicker than the one on the Spigen. But man, is this case beautiful. They're both nice cases. You can't go wrong with either one of these. But I'm more leaning to the Caseology, guys. But weight wise, this one feels way lighter. At the top, they both look nice. This one, the Spigen's a little more squared off to go with the squared edges on your iPhone. And the power button here cut out as well. Looks really nice. There's a little, as you can see straight through this on the Spigen. You can see through it. This one is completely covered right here. You can't see anything through this power button cut out right here. All right, bottom looks really nice. See these two edges, curved design at the bottom of the Caseology here. Spigen's really plain, nothing fancy on there. So I know you guys have been waiting to see what it looks like on the phone. Let's go ahead and try that out right now. So as you can see, this is the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we're gonna go ahead and install the Caseology first. So just go ahead and snap this on there. Here's how it looks from the front. You have the little lips coming over your screen to protect it if you put it face down. So if you put your phone face down like this, it's protected. If you put it on the back, your cameras are protected as well, with this little lip that sticks out right here. All right, so this is what it looks like from the back. Looks really nice, blends in really nicely with the color of the camera bump on your iPhone. So this is what it looks like from the bottom as well. Looks really nice. Sorry about that, guys. The next door neighbors' kids are really playing and getting whooped. They're crying. So sorry about the that if you're hearing that in the background. So here it is. Looks really nice with the lips covering over the front, and the cutout for your charging port and your speaker grills. The camera bump is really nice. Has a little bit of height here to protect your cameras, as I said before. Cutout for your silent switch and your volume up and down right here. Buttons are really clicky and nice, not too resistant. As you can see, it doesn't provide any, it doesn't give you any form of resistance as far as you have to hit it too hard to get your buttons to click. Really nice and easy to click your buttons. All right, so there it is. That's the Caseology, and that's a Parallax case. So now we're gonna put on our Spigen liquid air armor, see what that one looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and put the Spigen on. All right, so this is the Spigen, and immediately you can feel a difference in the weight of your phone when you put this case on. Really lightweight, feels really way lighter than when you have the Caseology on. Feels less bulky as well. You can grip the phone really nice. On the sides, you have these textures on the sides, really help with the grip of the phone. And the back here as well is textured. It feels really nice. Feels like there's not even a case on the phone when you hold your phone like this. Imagine gaming with a thin light case like this on your phone. And this is what it looks like with the face. Has the little lip here as well that protects the phone when you put it face down like this. Little raise on the back here on the camera hump right here, as I showed you before. So when you put your phone on the back, it protects it really well. All right, Here's a cutout for your volume up and down. Feel nice and clicky here as well on the Spigen. Cutout for your silent switch so you can reach it very easy. I have pretty big fingers and that's how easy I can reach it. And your power button is really nice as well. So here it is, your cutout here, really nice and precise for your volume, your speakers, and your charging port as well. So there you have it. Hope this video helps you out if you're in the market looking for one of these cases for your iPhone 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max, and you can make a decision from this video that you just watched. And I'm gonna have these cases linked in the description so you can make your purchases if you want to get one of these cases. All right, so that's the end of the video, guys. Hope this helps you out. Please hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel, and thank you for watching again. Peace.